What I've kind of come to find out is I kind of delved into this whole area of building science and tried to become somewhat of a building science nerd and try to figure out how buildings actually operate and the way buildings want to become more energy efficient, be able to handle more, better strategies for moisture management, better strategies for durability, better strategies for indoor air quality. What are some of the things that have to happen? A lot of the practices that have gone into sustainability aren't all that different than some of the things you can put into mitigation. So I said, these are somewhat synergistic. Very simple is really about keeping the outside out and the inside in. So you think about it as a football team, kind of sustainability could sort of be thought of as the offense, and mitigation could be thought of as the defense. Well, a championship team really is a good offense and a good defense. So that's where I see these being very synergistic. Obviously, energy efficiency has maintained the #1 goal. But with these increased energy efficiency, long-term durability has to be built into the building enclosure. And really that durability is addressing that area of moisture infiltration. And with moisture infiltration, then you get down into good indoor air quality concerns. I think those are kind of the blocking and tackling of sustainability. But then we get into the areas of mitigation, and mitigation is really about wind resistance, resistance to wind-driven rain, and resistance to flooding. With better insulation strategies as a result of better load path design, you're going to have better structural value and also more air tightness that keeps, again, the inside in and the outside out. One of the big things will happen is a wind-driven rain or a hurricane event will go through a building, and really the building's not impacted a whole lot, but it just got a huge amount of moisture in it for a lot of different reasons, and it's hard to get that thing dried out. And before it can get dried out, the moisture turns to a mold situation. And so there's strategies you can do there, but you also can use materials that are less vulnerable to moisture and mold, which would be the glass mat gypsum panels. With that, that summarizes my presentation.